Hello and welcome to another video. Uh, Today we'll be looking at a strategy you can use to trade a volatility 75 index. Okay, I have V75 on the screen, and I have three windows. I have the main window. This is the main window. Okay, I have indicator window one. This is indicator window one, and I have indicator window two. All right. There's an indicator window too. So before I go into how to use the indicators to trade with this strategy, let's look at the indicator centers. Okay, for the main we do have moving average. The period is 50, shift is 0. Method is exponential, apply to close, and the color is brown. Then I have fractals. Okay, I have Ichimoku, Tenkan Sen 8, Kijun 25, Senkou, that's 52. All right. Then the up Kumo and the down Kumo. For the up Kumo, you have lemon. The down Kumo, you have orange. Then the other style, you leave the color to match the background color of the charts. Then we have Bollinger Bands. The period is 50. Deviation is 0.100. The shift is 0. Apply to close, and the color is blue. Then you have another Bollinger Bands. Okay, the period is 350. The deviation is 2.0. The shift is 0. Apply to close, and the color is black. Okay, let's go quickly to the main chart. Okay, I'm selling right now, and the reason why I placed this sell trade is because price entered into well, look, we are on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, the reason why I placed this sell trade is because price entered into the cloud and dropped below the cloud, and also trying to close below all indicators. All right, price entered into the into the cloud, Ichimoku cloud, dropped below the cloud and closed below all indicators. I'm talking about the uh, moving average, the Bollinger Bands, and the Ichimoku. Okay, so this is a good selling point. This particular area is a good selling point. The best part is where you have this part is the best part for you to sell. Okay, now another selling point is this. Another place where you have a sell signal is around here. Okay, and you can see what happened. Price closed below all indicators, even below the cloud. You can see you have a retest, okay, but price continued to go down. Okay, so for you to place your buy trade, you allow price to close above all indicators, then you place your buy scalp. Okay, for another selling point, this another good place to sell. Okay, where price closed below all indicators, just sell for some uh quick profit. Okay, could sell up to this point. All right, so let's look further to where you can place a sell trade. Okay, you can place your sell trade somewhere around here, where you have price closing below all indicators. Okay, that's a good point where you can sell. This is also a good point where you can sell. All right, um so that's that about the main sorry, you should have been here. Okay, because here you have the Bollinger Bands. Okay, you have the lower Bollinger Bands. So the lower Bollinger Band is somewhere like a support, but you have a break of the support. Okay, so the appropriate place to sell is around here, where you have the blue Bollinger Bands and the moving average and the Ichimoku. So this is the appropriate place to sell. But if I zoom out, okay, you can see uh, the main Bollinger Bands, which serves as our support, it serves as our resistance, and the mid of the band. This is the mid of the band. This is the band expanding to show that price started to trend. Okay, at this point we have a range, and at this point we have the trend starts to form. Okay, so your sell should all not be below here. Okay, because here is supposed to be your support, not be your buy should not be above here, because here it should be your resistance, but it should be above the indicators around here or below the indicators around here. So if you are going to zoom in now, we're going to zoom in, and you're going to place a sell trade. Your sell trade should be somewhere around here. Okay, sell trade should be somewhere around here. Then your buy signal should be somewhere around here. Okay, where price closed above all indicators. Of course, your scalp sell should be somewhere around here. The price closed below all indicators, excluding the bigger Bollinger Bands that serves as your support or resistance. Okay, so for indicator window one, let's look at the settings. Indicator window one, we have MACD. The fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9, apply to close. Okay, no color. Then we have a moving average. The period is 250, shift is 0. Method is linear weight, applied first indicators, data color is blue. Then we have another moving average, period is 200. Linear weight, first indicators, data color is the blue. Then we have a moving average, period is 1. Method is linear weight, applied first indicators, data color is red. Now, this is just simple. It tells you the trend. Okay, if the red line cross below, you have a bearish trend start kicking in. Okay, so look for sell opportunities. Okay, if the uh red line crosses above, okay, you have bullish trend starting. Okay, so all you need to do is just look for buying opportunities. Okay, then you have the red line crossing below, bearish trend, look for sell signals, and then you have the red line crossing above, all right, like you have around here. Bullish trend, look for buy opportunities. Okay, okay, like you have around here. Bearish trend, look for selling opportunities. So that's that for uh the indicator window one. Let's look at the settings for indicator window two. So we have stochastic, we have MACD, we have moving average. For the stochastic oscillator, the parameters for the percentage K period, for the stochastic oscillator, you have 14. The percentage D period is 3. The slowing is 3. The price field close or on close. Method is linear weight. Now for the main star, the color is green. For the signal star, the color is red. Okay, the stochastic oscillator levels, you have 5 and 95, and the color is black. Okay, apart from the stochastic oscillator, we have the MACD. Okay, for the MACD, we have the fast EMA to be 25. We have the slow EMS to be 20. We have MACD SMA to be 7. Apply to close. There's no color. Of course, the level is 0, and of course, you have a black color for that. And for the moving average, we have a period is 60. Shift is 0. The method is simple. Apply to first indicators data, and the color is black. And then the last moving average on the indicator window 2, you have the period to be 20. Shift is 0. Method is simple. Apply to first indicators data, and the color is blue. Okay, if we go to the chart, okay, we have where the green and the red line, when they get to this point at the cross up, you have a buy signal. Okay, get to this point and the cross down, you have sell signal. Okay, you have a sell signal here, a sell confirmation here. Okay, but when you see the red and the green line, okay, staying above at the 95 level, okay, that's price getting to resistance, expect a sell. Okay, But if you see it getting to the 5 stochastic level, that means price is at the support. Expect price to go up, expect to buy. So, like I said, if you see it crossing up above the blue is a buy signal. If now cross up above the black line is a buy confirmation for you to buy. And the on the other hand, if you see it crossing down, if you see it crossing down the blue sell signal and then crossing the black sell confirmation, then you expect to sell. So it's as simple as that. Okay. So don't forget, please subscribe to the channel. Click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed. Click the like button. Like the video if you like the way the settings. If you like the setup, please like the video. Also, click on the bell button below the video for notifications so that when we upload another video on how to trade Forex and volatility index, you'll be notified. Don't forget to drop your comments. Don't forget to ask questions if you're not clear with any part of the video. Also, you can visit our website www.benefxtrader.com or fxfables.com so that you get to learn more on how to trade Forex and volatility index. Okay, so that's that for the video. Is a good strategy. Make sure you back test it, try it out on demo account. Be sure to get the grip. Don't forget if it crosses below the indicators. Around here is a sell. If it crosses above the Ichimoku and the Bollinger and the moving average above, around here is a buy. So don't forget, just a quick scalp some profit. Wait till another crossover happens, then scalp some profit. Check the signals on all windows. If they synchronize, if they align with one another, then you take your trade. All right, so that's that for the video. Till I come your way next